Hello and welcome to today's Daily Trade Watch, brought to you by the Live Trade Room. Now, today is Friday, the 20th of July. So in this short video, we're going to identify some what we call high probability trading opportunities that we can really focus on for the trading day ahead. Of course, trade selection is a very important part of trading these markets. There's a vast range of markets to look at. So how do you go about looking for those best opportunities? And that's what this few-minute video will actually assist with. Just before we begin then, if we could just draw your attention to a risk warning, please do familiarize yourselves with the risks involved in trading these markets. Okay, so let's get straight in and we'll discuss, I would say, a high probability trade opportunity for the day ahead. The reason why I say that is we've looked across the markets and there's a lot of indecision today. There's a lot of sort of markets looking to pull back. And what we do look to do is to identify high probability trading opportunities that go with the actual market, the prevailing trend of the market. However, today, we want to really focus on the US oil market or the crude oil market. And the reason for that is largely technical. However, there is fundamental supports basically for buying at these lower prices. But just purely from a technical perspective, let's focus in on it. What we have is an uptrend. So we've got this market. It's been in this uptrend for quite a while. And we haven't seen an awful lot for that to no longer be the case. So there is an expectation that inventories are very much likely to be lower towards the end of the year. And then that impacts the supply and demand function of oil. And it is likely from a fundamental perspective to push the price of crude oil to the upside. Now, it's important to note as well that it is a very fundamentally driven market, crude oil, and there is tailwind. So there is reasons potentially for this market to roll over to the downside. However, we'll never really access all the information necessary to make all the fundamental decisions that we can put together. So what we choose to do is to continue to look for opportunities to trade technically, and we've actually got one of these setups as things stand. So just as far as the prevailing trend is concerned, we're clearly in an uptrend. The market topped out at about $74, and we got a really aggressive, volatile reversal in this market. But look at where this market has bounced back to. So we look for previous levels of resistance, which can become support. And as you can see, over the last three or four trading days, the price has really bounced off to 66.88. So that's the first indication to us. So when we zoom right in, we've seen the market consolidate at the highs. We've seen a really strong move back to a level of support. And now we're looking for signs of potential upside gain. And you can see that we've had the indecision candlestick followed by a nice strong bullish candlestick and a subsequent indecision candlestick. So there's a lot of these factors are going into OPEC's decision. There's a meeting with OPEC today. So it'll be interesting to see what comes out from that meeting, and also with non-OPEC countries. So what we're doing is we're anticipating this market to break above the daily high. Now we've recently literally, as we're putting this video together, we can see that the price has just pinched above this particular level. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to change this color to an intraday level. So really, we're looking for opportunities to buy the US oil above the 69.55. Now that would be in keeping certainly with a bit more of an uptrend as far as this level in here is concerned. So it's kind of in keeping with this continuing uptrend, and that's what we're looking to do. We're looking to go with the market unless we have reasons not to, and a reason that we might change our bullish opinion on the US oil market would be if we got a reversal and we got a break below the 66.88. So as things currently stand, we're looking to buy the pullback, and we're looking for opportunities to buy this market above 69.55. It does give us a great opportunity to see this market squeeze to the upside. So that is pretty much today's daily trade watch. We'll be watching it very, very closely, and of course do look to protect yourself at all times. Like I said, many other markets are in periods of indecision, are currently pulling back from its highs or its lows. So we're just going to refrain from really targeting that many trades over the course of today's trading day. Let's see how these markets unfold, and we'll look for opportunities again early next week. So that just about concludes then today's daily trade watch. So all that's left for me to do now is to obviously thank you for joining us, and if you would like to connect with us, please do through our YouTube channel, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you'll get notifications of these posts, and also our live trade rooms and many other products and services. So they're all there in there for you on YouTube, and you can also contact us through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, and the details are there up on screen. Okay, so thank you very much for joining us as always. Do take care, and we'll keep a very close eye on the crude oil market for the remainder of the trading day. So from everyone here, take care and bye for now.